Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 1 Numbers. Today we are discussing about the topic place value of digits in large number. Every digit of a number has a place value which gives the value of the digit. Write the number 6,76,097 in expand form. First write number, then next one write expand form. First write in place value, then 6 is lakhs place, 7 is 10,000 place, again 6 is thousands place, 0 is 100 place, 9 is 10th place, 7 is ones place. Then lakhs right, lakhs means then lakhs number right, then 10,000 words the right in numbers 10,000, then 1000 right, 100 means 100 right number, tens means number right in 10, then 7 into 1, ones place means 1 right. The next is 6 into lakhs, 6 lakhs, 7 into 10,000, 70,000, 6 into 1,000, 6,000, 0 into 100 means 0, 9 into 10, 90, plus 7 into 1, 7. Then this one is expand form. The next one, find the place value of all the digits in 98 lakhs 47,056. The place value of 6. 6 is what place? Ones place. Then 6 into 1. 1 6 are 6. The next one, 5 is tens place. The place value of 5 is 5 tenth place. Then 5 into 10. 5 tens are 50. The next one, the place value of 0. 0 is what place? 100 place. 0 into 100 equal to 0. The place value of 7. 7 into 1000. 7,000. Are you understand? The next one, the place value of 4. 4 what place? 10,000 place. Then 4 into 10,000. 40,000. The next one, the place value of 8. Then given number place value of 8 is lakhs place. 8 into lakh, 8 lakhs. Okay. The next one, the place value of 9. 9 is 10 lakhs place. 9 into 10 lakh equal to 90 lakh. Hence, the number 98 lakhs 47,056 read as 98 lakhs 47,056. Are you understand? The next one, use comma. In any given number, we separate the periods by using commas. In our Indian system of numeration, we use commas from the right. The first comma comes before hundreds place, 3 digit from the right. The second comma comes before 10,000 place, 5 digits from the right. The third comma comes before 10 lakhs place, 7 digit from the right, and the digits next to it represent crores. Okay. Example 1.1, the distance between the sun and the earth is about 9 crore 29 lakhs miles. Read and write the number in the Indian method. Okay, first period, crores, lakhs, thousands, ones, tens, 100, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Place value also write. The next one, number write. Then ones place is 0. Tens place also 0. 100 place also 0. 1000 place also 0. 10,000 place also 0. Next one, lakhs place 9. 10 lakhs place 2. Are you understand? Then next one, crore place 9. Then using commas. Then Indian system using commas. Then first 3 digit after put 1 comma. And 9, 2, 9, 0, 0, 0. Okay, 9 crore 29 lakhs. First 3 digit after put comma. How to use comma in Indian system? Then 9 crore 29 lakhs Then first one, ones, tens, hundred after 1 comma. Okay, 3 digit after 1 comma. Next 2 digit after 1 comma. Ones, 1, 2, 2 digit after 1 comma. Again 2 digit after 1 comma. First one is 3 digit after put comma. This one is Indian system. This one is Indian system. First one 3 digit after put comma. Again 2 digit after put comma. Again 2 digit after put comma. This one is Indian system. Using comma 9 crore 29 lakhs. That's all. Number name right 9 crores and 29 lakhs. Are you understand, students? The next one, use commas. In the international system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million, and billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Commas are used to mark thousand, million, and billions. Are you understand? Example 1.2. The distance between the sun and earth is about 9 crore 29 lakhs miles. Read and write the number in the international system. First one, periods, right? Billions, millions, thousands, ones. Okay. The next one, place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. This one is international system. International system. Okay. Then million, million, 10 million, 100 million. Then billion, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Are you understand? Then first one, ones place also 0, tens place also 0, 100 place also 0. Next 1000 place 0, 10,000 place also 0. Then 100,000 place what number? 9. Million place number 2, 10 million place number 9. Then usings. How to read? 92 million 900,000. Are you understand? 92 millions 900,000. 92 million and 900,000. How to use comma in international system? 92950. Okay. International system in 3 digit after put comma. 1, 2, 3. Then put comma. Again 1, 2, 3. Put comma. This one is international system. Are you understand, students? Again one time. Then international system, how to use comma, 3 digit after put comma. Okay, for example, one number. How to use comma, 3 digit after put comma. 1, 2, 3. After 1 comma. Again 1, 2, 3. Okay, no number. This one is international system. The next one, example 1.3. How many thousands are there in 1 lakh? Okay. First write place value ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. Then number also write 1 lakh. 0, 0, 0. Again then lakh place 1 number. Okay, 1000. How many thousands are there in the 1 lakh? First write 1 lakh. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 0. Then thousands. Thousands how many 0? 3 0. 1 0 0 0. Okay. 1 0 1 0 cancel. Again 1 0 1 0 cancel. Again 1 0 1 0 cancel. Then what answer? 100. Okay. 1 lakh equal to how many thousands having? 100 thousands having. Are you understand, students? The next one, example 1.4. How many thousands are there in 1 million? Okay. First write place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. 1 million. First number also write. Ones place 0, tens place also 0, 100 place also 0, 1000 place also 0, 10,000 place also 0, 100,000 also 0, million equal to 1. Then how many thousands having? Then 1000 write. First 1 0 0 0. First million also write. How many thousands having? 1 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 cancel, again 1 0 1 0 cancel, again 1 0 1 0 cancel. Then 1 million equal to how many thousand having? Thousand having. 1000 into thousands having. Are you understand, students? 1 million equal to how many thousands having? Thousands into thousands having. 1 million equal to 1 million equal to 1000 into thousands having. Are you understand, students? Today recap, place value, expanded form, use comma for Indian and international system. Today homework, try this, expand the following numbers. Okay, subdivision 1, 2, 3, all the one completed. Second one, find the place value of underlined digit. Okay. Third one, write down the numerals and place value of 5 in the numbers represented by the following number names. Okay. Given number names, first write numbers, after place value also find it. Are you understand, students? First subdivision, second subdivision, third subdivision, all the one completed. Thank you, dears.